timing. What do you mean perfect timing? You're going to do it.
These inlay and Marquetry classes of 2024 involved a lot of preparation, organizing of supplies, and making travel plans for my home in Hawaii. The schools were well prepared and students were ready to dive into a 3 to 5 day extensive and intensive class wanting to learn this particular technique of making pictures using wood and stone. The goal for each student is to draw, cut, and shape and glue parts together, creating a picture of their own design using diverse natural wood veneers or stone. The classes I've taught over the last 35 years have evolved somewhat, but the techniques and materials have mostly remained the same. The part that amazes me about these classes is the diverse types of designs that emerge from each and every student, and the thrill for them making original art from start to finish. I'm always discovering new ways to fix problems to achieve good results, sticking to my motto that there is no such thing as a fatal error, and issues that can be corrected with a little time to undo and redo, which we call remapping. I'm happy that these techniques of surface decoration is being passed on. And from the scores of people I've taught, I find great pleasure in the many students that now create work that can eclipse my own pieces and becoming masters in their own right.